Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. Now this video comes up with yet another good news after the recent weeks hirings from Tech Mahindra, Accenture and other companies. Now this week we have Capgemini coming up with a big pooled campus drive. Now so this is for the entry level, the entry into the software industry, and the starting salary is somewhere between 3 lakhs to 3.8 lakhs per annum. And the important dates, the registration has already started and the last date to register is 1st of September 2021, and the written test would be held somewhere in the second week of September 2021 and interview will be held later. And coming to the eligibility criteria, now education, BE, BTech, any branch can apply. And as far as ME, MTech, only 3 branches: information technology, information science and computer science, and MCA also eligible. And as far as the percentage criteria is concerned, should have 60% and above in diploma, graduation and MCA, ME, MTech, okay, whatever is applicable, should have 60%. And as for the 10th or 12th marks, there is no percentage criteria for the 10th or 12th marks. And regarding arrears, the candidate should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. And regarding break, there can be a maximum of 1 year break between courses, that is between the milestone stages when they say like 10th, 12th and graduation. Okay, so for example, if you have joined a BE, now within that, so that BE should have completed in 4 years. Within that BE there should not be any gap. Okay, there should not be any gap. So maximum 1 year gap between milestone stages. So that is what they have said regarding break. And the candidates who have taken degree after diploma should not have any gaps between diploma and degree. And year of passing, 2021 batch only. So 2021 BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MCA 2021 batch can apply for this. And the other criteria, should possess excellent English written, spoken and communication skills, must be open to relocate. I think they have about 13 locations. Okay, so you should be willing to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology, domain, role, and you should be ready to work in shifts if required, and should be open to signing a service level agreement bond. And in case the candidate has appeared for 12th more than once, the candidate will be considered provided if both the mark sheets are available with an academic score of 50% or more in both the attempts. So as far as the mode of selection, it is going to be completely virtual. From the written test to the interview, is going to be completely in the virtual mode. And it's clearly mentioned that the candidates will be responsible for arranging all the required infrastructure, like your desktop or laptop with the webcam and other whatever, like network requirements and all that. Now coming to the assessment process, you have the technical assessment pseudocode, then the English, so it is like basically like 3 sections. Okay, like the technical questions pseudocode, then communication, and then the aptitude, like game based aptitude test. Then after that, the 4th one, this is you can say simply it is a kind of a psychometric test, and then finally the technical and HR interview. Okay, so now what they have mentioned is only those candidates who have cleared the test assessment will be invited for the interview. Okay, the first 3 steps only if you clear, you will be invited for the interview. The behavior profiling module is for understanding the innate profile of the candidate, for which we will share a work style report with the candidates who complete the module. Okay, and please note that receiving the work style report does not confirm the clearance of the test assessment. Okay, so it doesn't mean if you are appearing for the psychometric, it doesn't mean that you have cleared the test assessment is what they are saying. Okay, and the post registration in the tool, you need to apply for the job profile to participate in the event. Now so link to apply, so you have to apply via Superset. Okay, so Superset registration, you know what is Superset? It is a platform that connects the candidates, recruiters and the colleges usually. Okay, now the link to apply is given in the description below. Now I'll just quickly run through how to apply. So once you click on that link, you will get this enter your email address thing. So when you enter the email address, it will ask for whether you want to register and apply. if you go, so it'll ask for these details like the basic details, contact, your recent education, previous education, internship, okay, and profile photo, right? So you enter your full name, date of birth, gender, college, okay, so primary email address, and then your personal email address, mobile number, okay, you type in your password, okay, save next. If you already have a profile, then if you want to update, you can update. Otherwise you can just with that already existing profile, you can just apply for this drive, okay. Otherwise, if you are doing it for the first time, just follow this process, okay. So once you enter your basic contact details, it will ask you to verify. So once you verify, you can just save and go next. It will ask for the contact details, wherein you have to verify your email address. So this verification email address and all takes a certain time, okay. So the first confirmation link comes early, okay, it comes instantly, but the verification takes a little time. So don't wait till the last day to apply for this. So apply as early as possible if you're eligible. So after that, entering the email address, enter your permanent address, current address, okay, and then it will ask for career plan, and then you have to apply to your resume. So as far as career plan is concerned, it will list this, okay. So you can choose whatever is applicable, and then you can upload the resume in the PDF format, okay. So upload the resume in the PDF format, and then you enter the current details. So so in this, whether you are currently studying or you have completed the education, so most of you might have completed the education 2021 batch. So the BE, BTech or ME, MTech, MCA, whatever it is, okay, and then the batch, course start date, course end date. So enter all these details, and then the current course and then the university ID, and if suppose you are from the lateral entry, you have to enter those details, and then the backlog details, if at all, if you have any backlogs or if you had any backlogs, okay, you have to mention. If you don't have any backlogs, no issues, and then you have to go for the 12th and 10th marks. So you enter those details, and then if you have any internship and work experience, you can enter that as well. If you don't have, no worries, just go for the next one. And so once you have completed, and then it will ask for a disclaimer, you have to read through that and then click on that, and finally when you submit, you will get a prompting box, a prompt box like this. It will show that you have successfully applied, okay. So with that, it is over. I hope the information I have provided in this video was useful to you. If you found it useful, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. And if you have any queries, please do post your queries in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.